Hey, I'm out of toilet paper. I need toilet paper. Alright guys, room tour times two. Let's see how it looks like after being here for a day. Still got the old makeup area not being used because, well, I wear makeup. Entrance. Still looks nice. Another mirror. Still here. We have a mirror. Just switch it up. Make sure you guys see. And on to the room. Oh, it's not that bad. Some jacket. Noticed yesterday there's 2 bottles of water here, and not to charge $2 for a bottle of water if you want to use it. Here's the bed situation. A little messy, but I'm unpacked. Have my clothes all over one bed. Notice, look at that. More hidden jackpots moved. Link in the description below. Come on, get some. You know you love it. Again, we got the lamp here. We got a plug in this lamp, which was nice to charge the phone. Speaking of phones, there's the outdated phone again, still there. Bed, little messy. As you can see, I took the pillows off the other bed and had 8 pillows on my bed. Who does not love pillows? Come on, 8 pillows? Heck yeah. Everything's still pristine over in this area. Got my coffee maker over here, my gimbal, which I said I forgot, but I didn't. My bag of nuts. My winning ticket, 34 cents. There's some change from the other winning tickets. And the view today. It's not bad now, but it was raining so hard earlier, I couldn't even see Canada. Could not see Canada. So in case you missed it yesterday, there's some outlets, 3 of them. There's another 2, plus the one that I showed you on the lamp. There's also this one in the wall, which is nice. And now to the shower, after being used for one day. Oh, it's not. Oh, check this out. Look at this soft closed door. Not bad, not bad. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Shower, not too bad. Not too bad. Maybe here by myself, but I didn't dirty up the shower. In jackpot shirt. Get them where you can. Anyway, there's the toilet still there. Still toilet paper. Still a phone. And with that, that's my room tour. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps me out and it helps you out. Maybe I can do more of these room tours. I know I would love to do them. I hope you like to see them. Anyway, Hidden Jackpots out. Ciao. What's up guys? Welcome to Hidden Jackpots. I'm Adam C. I'm here in Niagara Falls, New York at Seneca Casino. I didn't bring my gimbal, so I apologize if the video is a little shaky. Let's go have some fun, shall we? I'm about to walk through this little patch of geese. Hopefully I don't get attacked. Don't do it. Don't attack me. Thank you. Thank you for not attacking me. I don't know where we're going here. Oh, this is the Red Coach Inn. So if you don't know, that's where they shot some of the scenes from The Office. And Pam got married. So it's kind of rainy right now, but I think I'm gonna head down to the falls anyway. It says it's that way. Let's go. So this is what I love. I love hearing the roar of the water. seeing how rough it looks. It's so powerful. I'm assuming the falls is right there, so we're gonna head up. I found this to be pretty cool. The water is rushing down this way, but the white caps are facing the other way. Very neat. I don't know if I've ever saw that before. So this is pretty neat. I've been a lifelong resident of Niagara Falls, Canada. Never seen the American Falls up close. Let's just enjoy it for a bit. Shall we? I wish it was a clear day so you could see the Canadian side. One thing that is very cool down here is they have this crisis services phone line, because we know unfortunately a lot of people have issues, and being down by the falls, it's very easy to end your life. It's very cool that they have this down here, someone to talk to if you need that. So that was my little trip down to the falls. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's just a short one and not really informative, but if you haven't seen the falls on the American side, I definitely recommend it. I do still agree that the Canadian side looks a little better, but like I said, I've never been here before. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Maybe hit the subscribe button, because I would really appreciate that. And with that, I'm Adam C. from Hidden Jackpots, out.